Good evening, my pretties, and welcome back. Again, my name is Witchella, but you can call me Barbara, the pretty witch from the forest over there. Now, I was looking through the other ladies' things, and I found this cookbook that contains this chili recipe. It has chicken and white beans and other seasonings and whatnot. Now, where I live, I am a chicken farmer, and that is how I make my money. I farm the chicken and then I sell it to the store. Some of the chickens are evil, and when you eat them, they make you do evil things. Now let me get my chicken out and all the other things I need. Okie dokie artichokes. Just kidding, there are no artichokes in this chili. I bought this chicken back from my own farm because I do not have my chicken here with me right now. So these are only the thighs. You only need 1 pound. A small onion or half of a large onion. A couple of peppers. I got a green pepper and a jalapeno. Some garlic. This is what she already had in the fridge. She also had oregano, chili powder, cayenne, and cumin. I am surprised at how many things she had on hand. We also need 2 cans of white beans and 1 of the small cans of salsa verde. You also need 2 cups of chicken stock, but she only had these chicken cubes, which you can make into chicken stock, like magic. Also a little bit of olive oil. So I shall cut up the vegetables and we shall get started. Okie dokie, I have diced up my vegetables. Now I shall turn this on. Add a little bit of oil. Make sure there is nothing in the pot already. Now I shall add my vegetables and the garlic. If you feel like being evil, you can leave the seeds in the jalapeno pepper. Okie dokies. I have cooked the onions and the peppers until they have become a little bit caramelized. And now I add my chicken. Of course, if you do not have chicken, you can use the children you fattened last week with your dirt pie. Now for my seasonings. 1 teaspoon of each of these. Of course, I do not measure, I just eyeball. Like this jar of eyeballs. Now, this lady only has 1 burner, so I cannot make this into stock. She also does not have a microwave. So I shall put this all in the same pot. 2 cups of water plus 2 of these cubes. And it shall be all mixed together. I also need this can of salsa. You can also add a bay leaf, but she does not have any. I also think it is pointless. So for you, you can do as you please. Now, as I bring this to a simmer, I shall cook it for 30 minutes. And we shall continue from there. Okie dokie, my pretties. Now that this has been boiling and bubbling for 30 minutes, let me take out the chicken for me to shred it. You can take 2 forks and pull the meat apart. It is nice and tender. Also, take out anything that looks weird. Of course, if you don't want to shred it, you can cut it with a knife. The meat is so tender. Of course, if you use children, it will also be tender. That is why I like children and not adults. Because adults are stressed out and they become stringy and less desirable to eat. Anyways, I have drained and rinsed my beans. Let me add my beans. And let me add my meat back to the pot. And now we shall stir it. And let it bubble another 10 minutes. And then I shall return and try the chili. Excuse me. My pretties have returned once again. This has been boiling and bubbling another 10 minutes. And it is ready. Let me put some in my bowl. And now if you want, you can put cilantro and a little bit of lime and a little bit of avocado and sour cream if you want.
Hey, is everything all right?
Poof! Whew. I'm back. What is all this?
What's going on? Everything all right?
Is she gone? Did you see her?
Who? What are you talking about?
I must have came back on my own then. I really am magic.
Okay.
Anyways, did you make this chili?
No?
What is all this? You were
Just did.
decorated?
What? It looks good.
I'm gonna try this. What is this?
You're being silly.
Oh my god.
Oh, I got a fork.
It's thick enough. You can't use a fork. It's super hot still. It's so thick and like beany and there's tons of chicken in it. There's like all these limes and cilantro and an avocado and sour cream over here too.
Wow.
I'm pretty good with that. Do you like it? Did you make it?
That's really good. You made it.
Right. I was here the whole time.
Well, you are the best chef ever.
Oh, thanks.
That's really good. That's fun.
What's Switchella?
Switchella.
That's strange.
You're right.
Anyways, I guess we're filming, so like and subscribe and comment and all that stuff.
Okay. I don't know what's going on.
See you next week. Bye.
Bye.